Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Triple M here. In today's video, we have some good news for the Fire TV Select users. Now, we know that Fire TV Stick Select rolled out with the Linux operating system, and one of the downfalls in that is that there weren't a lot of applications to go along with this system. What we're starting to see is some apps rolling out, and today we're going to cover two of the biggest ones. We do have VPN apps rolling out to this device, so we're going to double check, see what we need to do to get those apps rolled out. Let me know in the comment section if this changes your mind on the Fire TV Stick Select. So we're going to jump right into it. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, smash the notification bell. Let's go. Alright, so before we do the update, what I wanted to do is just check the App Store to see if those apps are yet available, and then we'll kind of see what's going on. So let's go here, go to our App Store. Which I would say this Fire TV Stick Select is doing a lot of thinking. It's not as snappy as we're used to. Or let's just search for VPN. Alright, so still no VPN. We have some Apple Music, we have Amazon Music, Internet, YouTube, and then we have a couple videos. Alright, so let's go over to our settings and we'll try to see if we can push an update, and then we'll come back and see if those apps are available. Alright, my Fire TV, about. Alright, you can see it is already downloading an update. Alright, version 1001.01005 1420. Alright, let's go ahead and install this. Alright, so we're back up and running, and before I check anything, let me just make sure we are on the latest version of the operating system. Alright, so we are on OS version 1.1, and looks like we are completely up to date. So let's look like we have some updates available. Let's see what we have. Look like Prime Videos, YouTube, and Plex. All right, I'll leave those for now, but I wanted to get into the App Store again just to kind of see if these apps are now available. All right, so we're going to do the same search. Just for VPN. All right, so looks like we have one contender. We do have NordVPN, which I do recommend. It's one of my VPN recommendations. So again, check the link in the description if you're someone that has Nord. So that's at least good news that Nord is now available on the Fire TV Stick Select. That's the only thing I see. Let me go back and search for IPVanish and see. Actually, let's try Xpren. Okay, so IPVanish is also available, so you can go ahead and install both of those guys. But so I'll probably do a follow-up video just to kind of test the speeds and kind of see the difference between VPN services like IPVanish and NordVPN on the Fire TV Stick Select, which is running Linux. Let me know in the comment section if there's anything specifically you'd like for me to look at. But good news for Fire TV Stick Select users. If you're someone who went out and got it, we now have VPN services available for you to download and install on your device. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I know for a lot of you folks, you already off the Fire TV Stick, but for the folks that bought it, this is good news. Of course, if you're new to the channel, subscribe, smash the notification bell. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.